Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Apple Intelligence versus Samsung Galaxy AI. Apple and Samsung, the two tech giants known for their innovation, are in a constant battle for dominance in the smartphone world. But how do their AI systems stack up against each other? Today we will compare Apple Intelligence and Samsung Galaxy AI, diving deep into Siri, Bixby, machine learning, and more. First, let's talk about voice assistants. Siri, Apple's AI assistant, was first introduced in 2011. Over the years, Siri has evolved with improved speech recognition, faster responses, and integration with Apple's ecosystem. You can ask Siri to control your smart home devices, send messages, or provide quick info with just a voice comment. On the other hand, Samsung Bixby launched in 2017 came with a more comprehensive AI vision. Bixby's strength lies in its ability to deeply integrate with Samsung's Galaxy ecosystem. From smartphones to smart home appliances, it excels at managing device settings, such as adjusting brightness or turning off Wi Fi, tasks that Siri doesn't quite handle as deeply. Siri focuses on simple tasks and smart home controls through Apple's ecosystem, while Bixby is designed to control Samsung devices and services at a deeper level. So, which one do you think is better for daily use? Let me know down below in the comments. Machine learning and AI features. Both Apple and Samsung have infused AI into more than just voice commands. Apple Intelligence uses machine learning to enhance your daily experience, whether it's predictive text suggestions, photo categorization, or improving battery life through adaptive charging. Samsung also integrates AI into its user experience. One standout feature is Samsung's AI based scene optimizer in its camera app, which adjusts settings automatically based on the scene. Samsung's AI is also heavily involved in device personalization, predicting your behavior to offer shortcuts and suggestions, much like Apple's Siri suggestions. Apple's AI focuses on enhancing the user experience across apps and security, while Samsung's AI offers deeper control over its hardware features like the camera and battery optimization. Again, it comes down to which ecosystem you are more involved in. Privacy and data usage. Privacy is a key issue when it comes to AI. Apple is known for its focus on user privacy with on-device processing for many of its AI functions. Siri's data processing is designed to limit what is sent to Apple servers, keeping your personal information more secure. Samsung takes a slightly different approach with a mix of cloud-based on-device AI. While they have increased their focus on privacy, Apple's stricter privacy policies are still a major selling point for many users. When it comes to privacy, Apple agreeably takes the lead, offering more transparency and control over your data. Smart home integration and ecosystem. AI also plays a crucial role in smart home integration. Apple's HomeKit AI also plays a crucial role in smart home integration. Apple's HomeKit, powered by Siri, allows seamless control of smart home devices that support the HomeKit platform. It's a great choice if you are deep into the Apple ecosystem. Samsung SmartThings platform, integrated with Bixby, offers more flexibility, supporting a wider range of smart home products. It allows for more diverse setups, connecting not just Samsung devices but other brands as well. While Apple's smart home integration is tightly controlled and secure, Samsung's SmartThings provides more versatility for users who want a more open smart home experience. Conclusion. Both Apple and Samsung are pushing the boundaries of AI in their devices, but each with a different approach. Apple Intelligence is all about enhancing the user experience with privacy at its core, while Samsung Galaxy AI is focused on control and personalization, especially with hardware and smart devices. So now, which one is better for you? It really depends on the ecosystem you are a part of and features you value most. So please drop your thoughts down below in the comments and share your opinions with me. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.